Since we are reading about the population pyramid is a very important part of the study of population. Again it is mentioned that in a population pyramid, if the base of population is broad, then it is said to be a healthy population or youthful population. A population with a base broad consists of young children and a narrow age of older people. At the narrow top is the older people. While the older population are characterized by a more uniform number of people, the population pyramid depicts three different characteristics: high fertility and rapid population growth. Example, in Mexico, it has low fertility and slow growth. United States, very low fertility and negative growth. So the growth of population decides that the population will be older or not. If the population of a place does not grow, that means the people who are living, who will grow old, their number will increase. If there are more elderly people in the population, then it will not be considered to be a healthy population. It will be considered to be elderly population. Distribution of land is the next aspect of population. The land in our country and around the world is distributed uniformly. It is not distributed uniformly. It is under the endemic countries. The land which is on which the people are living, it is considered to be misused in order to fulfill the demands of the population, which is increasing day by day. So when the population will increase, people will need resources, and when they will need resources, then there will be a impact on the population of a place. So it will affect the resources of the country. The population, when it increases day by day at a very rapid size, in this we are depicting the beautiful features of the land. It is very important to plan the distribution of land, therefore, so that the natural resources are not affected. Due to the increasing rate of population, there is a pressure on the environment, and we have read it in the chapters also, that when the population of a place increases, then the resources which are available for the people, they are under pressure. So more and more resources will be used, and therefore the population affects the environment, and it puts a pressure on